In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email with Gmail in make.com. This walkthrough is perfect for recurring messages, notifications, or simple mail merges, and by the end, you'll have a reliable automation you can turn on and forget. Start by logging into make.com and creating a new scenario from your dashboard. That opens the visual editor, where you'll build the flow with connected modules. Think of a scenario as a blueprint. It listens for something to happen, then performs actions based on your setup. If you want the email to send when something specific occurs, such as a new row appearing in a spreadsheet, add a trigger module first. For example, choose Google Sheets and use Watch Rows to respond whenever new data is added. You can also choose other triggers, like a webhook or a scheduled run. If you don't need an external trigger and just want the email to go on a schedule, you can rely on Make's scheduler later and move straight to setting up the email. Next, click the plus button to add a module, search for Gmail, and select Send an Email. This tells the scenario that the action you want is to send a message through Gmail. When prompted to connect your Gmail account, create a new connection. A Google login window will appear. Sign in with the account you want to send from, and grant access using Google's secure OAuth process. This lets Make send messages on your behalf without storing your password, and you can revoke it any time from your Google account settings. Now configure the email. In the To field, type recipient addresses or map them from your trigger data, like a column in your spreadsheet. Add a clear subject line, and feel free to include dynamic values from earlier modules so each message is personalized. Write your email body in the content field. If you need formatting, enable HTML and style your message as needed. You can also set optional fields such as CC, BCC, from name, and attachments. As a tip, keep attachments small. Gmail's limit is typically 25 MB. It's time to test. Click Run once. If you used a trigger, Make will pull a sample and send a test email using that data. If you didn't, it will send what you configured directly. Check the recipient inbox, or your own, plus the spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. Review your run log in Make to confirm everything executed as expected. When you're happy with the result, save your scenario and switch it on. Your automation is now live and will run automatically based on your trigger or schedule.